I'm so tired.
Achoo! Achoo!
Oh no. Oh, I need some sleep. I'm in my dream and swim in an M candy pool. Yeah, great. So amazing. I'll play this M pinball machine.
3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, come on. Great, you can do it. Oh my god, why do so many spots appear on my body? Maybe it's caused by this machine. I'll try again. Come on, fighting. Yeah, I win. I couldn't believe it. The blue spots were gone. Now I understand the rules. Let's keep playing.
3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, come on. Yeah. I can't believe the M pinball machine helped me get better. Yeah, I'm actually cured.
Help! I have the flu! Help me!
Achoo!
Let me help you. How to build a M pinball. Step 1. Build the ball launch. Step 2. Build the coin box door. Step 3. Build the cabinet. Step 4. Build the playfield. Step 5. Complete installation.